Okay, Kate? Okay, please answer this again. Sorry, I did not see your answer. Okay, answer this again.
53B. Finding your way. Listen and look. There is one example. What does Harry need?
So, Harry, I like walking round Castletown, don't you? What do we need to get for you here today? I've forgotten.
Only a Castletown football shirt, Mum. Nothing else.
Oh, yes. What about some new shorts, too?
My old ones are still fine.
And you don't need any new sports shoes yet, so that's good.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is opposite the library now?
How far is the library from here? I'd like to go there too.
Not far. It was opposite this
Where is it then?
It's in a new building opposite the chemist's, the one I like. So it'll only take us another 5 minutes to get there.
Oh, OK. So we just have to go past the post office and then turn left?
That's right. Well done.
2. Which way will Harry and his mother go to the castle?
And after lunch, we can walk round the castle again. We can go down that road where all those nice houses are.
Last time we went through the park and saw a volleyball competition.
I remember. But that other road to the castle is always so busy. All the town traffic uses that.
Yes, that's no fun. I don't want to go that way.
3. Which train will Harry and his mother take home?
Which train will we go home on today? Not the one that leaves at 5:30. It's so slow.
No, that one's too early.
Well, the next one's at 10 to 6. I know the timetable for all our trains now.
Yes, we'll catch that one. It arrives home at 8 o'clock.
4. What will Harry have to eat?
I'm getting hungry. I might have chicken with a salad for my lunch.
Why don't you have something different this time? I'm going to have some of the wonderful fish soup that they make in the restaurant by the river.
I don't want a salad if we go there. Can I have some pasta? You get lots and lots on a really big plate in that place.
Good idea. Of course you can.
5. What has Harry lost?
What's the matter, Harry? You look worried. Have you lost your money?
No, I haven't lost that, but my train ticket isn't in my pocket. Did I drop it?
You gave it back to me, remember? But what about your camera? You were holding that too, weren't you?
Oh, no. I think I left it at the station.
Okay, so answer please. What is your answer? What is the opposite? Okay, answer letter B or letter A. Number 2. Let's see number 2. Where is number 2? Okay.
B.
Which way will Harry and his mother go to the castle? Letter? Oh, letter. Which letter C.
B.
3. Which train will Harry and his mother take home? Oh, letter B. Which train? Take which train? On 4. What will Harry have to eat? Letter C? Okay, letter A. And next, what has Harry lost? It's a camera. Very good. Yay. Camera, Kate. Okay, very good, Kate. Okay, this one, Kate. You have the pronunciation. We have informations, station, competition. Again, Kate, read. Information. Kate, read.
Information.
Kate, information. Next, Kate. Kate, read. Read. First. Information. Next.
Information.
Station.
Station. Next, Kate.
Competition.
Competitions.
Information.
Station. Competition.
Hey, So, Kate, please participate, teacher. Okay, please, again, read, Kate, read. First,
Information.
information. Kate. Second,
Station.
station. Next, Kate. Number 3, Kate. Kate, number 3.
Competition.
Kate, where are you, Kate? Kate, where are you?
Information. Station. Competition.
Okay, so we have here 2 syllable, like station. Okay, 2 syllable. 3 syllable, it's information, that's 4 syllable. Information, 4 syllable, Kate. Another 4 syllable, competition, 4 syllable. The 2 syllable, Kate, is section. 2 syllable, ha? Section, 2 syllable. 3 syllable, Kate, possession, 3 syllable. Next, Kate, 4 syllable, acquisition. Again, acquisition. That's 4 syllable. Okay? Kate, teacher and we'll see you tomorrow again, 10:30 a.m. I will see you tomorrow for our class. Okay, Kate? Kate, are you with me? Kate? Kate, where are you? Kate, teacher and we'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Okay, Kate? Kate? Hello, Kate. Where are you? Teacher and we'll see you again tomorrow, 10:30 p.m. Okay, Kate? Kate? See you, Kate. Bye-bye.